What up, Hangout Gang? Crypto Crane here. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I've just been out relaxing. Sometimes you got to take a little bit of time off for the markets and stuff to get your mind right, do everything else. But I'm back. I'm going to be making more videos and I'm getting you guys right. You ready for this bull run that's coming. So we're going to talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Got a couple of news articles for you guys we're going to read today. We're going to go over the crypto bubbles and we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart, see if this is a fake out or if this is legit. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, so we got the crypto bubbles here, and as you can see, we got a little bit, a lot of green action here on the daily. A lot of things are green for the day. We got SEI up 13.6%, TIA up 15.5%, PITH 3.6, Filecoin 1.7, ICP 4%, RON 4.8, BRET 7.8, OP 6.9, OM 4.5. Injection Protocol 4.1, and we got Aave up 3.1%, IMX up 3.7%, AVAX 4.8, Tezos 4.1%, DOT 4.1%, Ordi 3.5%, Tau 8.7%, SUI 7.3%, Phantom 5.7%, Arbitrum 4.9%, FET 3.4%, Jupiter 7.7%, Ego 3.2%, and Core 3.7%, and TON 2.4%, Bonk with 4.8%. And Algo at 2.1 and With at 1.4. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the Bitcoin chart. As you can see right here, let's go ahead and look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. And as you can see right here on the daily Bitcoin dominance, we have what's here, the head and shoulders, right? Boom, boom. Okay, so I suspect price action to fall down a little more because as you can see, the stock RSI is overbought, overbought. And I see the RSI is at 50, so RSI needs to come down some more to around 35, between 30 35, then we'll see a reversal. So once it comes down to 35, you'll see the money flow back into Bitcoin, and you should see a blast off right here, right, on the Bitcoin dominance, right? So the Bitcoin dominance is money flowing in and out of Bitcoin. Now, let's look at the Bitcoin chart. This is the Bitcoin daily chart. As you can see, this bear flag forming, or bear pennant forming right here. So I suspect Bitcoin possibly going to make a move soon and fall back down here to retest this 52,436. Okay, if you look here on the daily, you see the same thing right here. You see more price action right here on the daily. You see what? You see one touch, two touch, not quite a touch, almost a touch, but one touch, two touch. And then you got three touches on the trend line, right? So I suspect it comes back down here, hits this 50 SMA around 56,855. If it falls below that, then I suspect, and below this trend line, then you will see 52,543 Bitcoin. If it falls below that, then the next support line would be 46,000. Okay, keep that in mind. As you can see here, it broke that upward trend line right there, and now it's going down and standing below the trend line, below the 200 SMA, which is not good. Okay, below the 200 SMA, showing you that it's bearish. Okay, remember, bearish under the SMA is bearish. Here you have a death cross right here on the 4 hour. So yes, I suspect it to fall down and retest this 52,000 level. Okay. Now, 52,000 level holds, you could get a blast off from 52,000. If it doesn't, then you'll get 47,000, and then you'll get the blast off from 47,000. Okay. The reason why I say that, if you go here and look at the weekly, zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at the weekly, and it's starting to reset. Right. We need this right here, the RSI to reset down here. The stock RSI is already reset, but we need to reset down in here before the blast off. So, since the RSI is at 48, it needs to come down by at least 13 points. That should put us around here 52,000 or somewhere below 52,000. Okay, could see a mass dump off once it falls down right here to retest this support line. All right, so that is Bitcoin. Now let's get into some of the crypto news. All right, we have the crypto news here. We have Crypto Trader says blue chip altcoin could nosedive by 45%. Outlooks on Bitcoin. Right. So we have here the Chainlink. So this is a summary of Chainlink warns a potential 45% drop for Chainlink and updates Bitcoin outlook. So prominent crypto analyst Ali Martinez has issued a warning about a potential significant price correction for Chainlink and provided an updated outlook on Bitcoin. All right, so current price Chainlink was $12.22. It was down 1.5% last 24 hours. It could do a nosedive by 45%, potentially falling below $7. So that's something to watch out for. Chainlink failed to maintain a key support level and is at a risk of breaking down from a head to shoulders reversal pattern, a technical analysis indicating a start of a downward trend. All right. So Martinez suggests that also suggests that Bitcoin could plunge below 50,000 before bulls step in to buy the dip. The significant sell-off by whales in recent weeks further indicates potential downward pressure on Bitcoin's price. So investors should be cautious and monitor these developments closely. And that's the same thing I just got finished showing you guys when it came to Bitcoin, how it could possibly roll over and we should see 52, 53,000, possibly even 47 and something thousand Bitcoin, okay? So that was what I was trying to tell you guys. But I wanted you to, somebody else is saying right here in the news article right here on the Daily Huddle, right? This article came out July 6th, so it's a couple of days ago, all right? So let's see here. Now, Solana meme coins. Solana's doing big things in meme coins. A lot of people making a lot of money in Solana meme coins. So Solana-based meme coin Billy continues upward trend. The Solana-based meme coin Billy has surged over 44% in the past 24 hours, continuing its impressive performance since being listed on major crypto exchanges in June. Exchanges such as BitTrue, BitGet, MEXC, and Gate.io have supported Billy, boosting its value significantly since July 5th. Billy was traded at 16 cents, a 36% increase from the previous day, and by the time of writing, it reached 18 cents, marking a 44.7% jump. Since its launch in June, Billy's market capitalization has risen to $189.5 million, with the coin's value skyrocketing 254% in 2 weeks. In the last 7 days alone, Billy's price increased over 192%, outperforming the global crypto market, which fell by 7.4%. And other well-known meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, Bonk, and Doge with Hat, which have all experienced declines over the past month. So Billy is taking off and doing its thing, right? Billy is doing its thing. Now, the crash. You got to stay cautious, man, because the crash came. But like I said, I gave you technical analysis in the beginning, so you should understand and to make a good decision. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index has plummeted to its lowest level since early January 2023, when Bitcoin was trading at 17,000. This index, which measures market sentiment, has shifted from extreme greed in March to extreme fear, indicating potential buying opportunities that also highlight further downside risk for Bitcoin. This index, which measures market sentiment, has shifted from extreme greed in March to extreme fear, indicating potential buying opportunities, but also highlighting further downside risk for Bitcoin. Analysts point to several factors contributing to the current sentiment, including the sale of seized Bitcoin by the German and U.S. governments and the refunding of Mt. Gox users, which together create significant selling pressure. We mentioned that earlier, and the Mt. Gox will be continually selling over the next couple of months too as well. Rachel Lynn from Sin Futures notes that the German and U.S. governments still hold substantial amounts of Bitcoin, which could continue to depress prices. Bitcoin's price might drop to 50,000 during the typical weak months of August and September, according to Marcus Thielen from 10x Research. However, a potential interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve in September could spark a rally. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index, which dropped to 29, indicates extreme fear, a stark contrast to its 90 level in March when Bitcoin reached its 2024 high of 73,500. Since then, Bitcoin and Ether have fallen by 25 to 30%, with major altcoins experiencing deeper declines. So yeah, the Fear and Greed Index, it needed to be reset. So that was the thing on it. It needed to be reset. That was the big thing. Crypto to stay cautious as 177 million token unlocks approach. Investors are bracing for a potential market shakeup as 177 million worth of crypto token unlocks are set to occur soon. These unlocks could significantly impact the prices of several crypto altcoins, adding a bearish sentiment to the market. There's a detailed overview of the 6 cryptocurrencies affected by the potential implications. All right, so they go on to list Atmos, Xi, Immutable X, Ethena, .ionet, Hashflow. Right. So Hashflow, and it goes Aptos. Unlocked date is July the 12th. 11.3 million. The value is $63 million, and the current price of Aptos is $5.59. Okay. You have Xi. The unlocked Xi was today. It was 198.4 million. Xi unlocked. Total price of 56.55 million. And the price of Xi at the time of this article was 28 cents, and the article was written on the 6th. Then we have Immutable X. Their unlocked date is July 12th, and the amount is 32.47 million tokens, and the value of that is 40.5 million. The current price of IMX is $1.26. All right, and the next one is IO.net. Theirs was July 11th, and 2.87 million tokens. Price tag of 5.98 million. Current price is $2.08. You have Hashflow. Theirs was on the 7th, and 13 million Hashflow tokens, 2.4 million. Price of that was 17 cents. And then it was Ethena that one already happened on July the 7th, and they did 14 million. Okay. It says the release of these tokens into the market increases the supply, which could drive down the prices, especially if the significant portion is sold quickly. Market participants should be cautious and consider the potential for increased volatility and downward pressure on these altcoin prices. Investors are advised to stay vigilant and possibly steer clear of trading these tokens in the upcoming weeks due to the anticipated market turbulence for the substantial token unlocks. Also, when this happens, and I would watch these APT Aptos, I would watch IMX, and those two for sure. And if the price dumps on that, then I would scoop that up on that price. Okay, I would scoop up on the dump. I would add to my bags because I currently have IMX, and I would grab one to my bags. Okay, this is exactly what I would do. Hold on to my bags. Now, let's look at the price of IMX right now. IMX is $1.25. Look at the daily. So you might have a little price pump because it's oversold. On the daily, it's actually looking good to buy on the daily. Might have a little pump coming through. So after this dump a little bit. So yeah, you might have a retest right here, 89 cents, and then blast off. Or it may come down here and retest $1.15 and then blast off. So yeah, that'd be something to watch here in the next couple of days, IMX. So, all right, thank you guys for tuning in to the Crypto Hangout Network and to the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, let us know what you thought about the video, and let us know what your thoughts about it. Are you going to get into IMX if the price falls? What do you think about the meme coin Billy? And what do you think about the Fear and Greed Index? Until the next video, I bid you goodbye. Peace.